Hello and welcome back to another daily edition of the Market News. My name is the General Stone. I do work for the fantastic goptions.com, and today, Monday the 23rd of September, I hope that you're joining me to get some good ideas on whereabouts you should be putting your opinions to make some profits with the G-Options trading platform. Have a look behind me. The main title of the day is European Data Domination. Today, all I've got for you is Euro-related news, so let's get cracking and straight into it. Germany, aka Merkel World. Some say the signals right there for world improvement are clear and for all to see. There's been some good positive China data, some good strong Eurozone news. We're pretty much delighted that Merkel did win in a landslide election to take that power seat in Germany once again. And as we move through, we actually see that post-election Euro shares are edging ever lower. There's some definite confusion there in the market from a lot of traders. They're looking at last week's previous Fed Reserve decision in the US, and they're coupling that with the strong Eurozone data, along with some good figures from China. It's keeping the market relatively confused, and I think for the medium to long term, at least for the rest of this current month and week, we'll see those Euro shares and Euro stocks having a hard time to really gain some momentum and gain some strength. Moving off the back of that, we're looking at the Euro currency, which has also been dipping, really struggling to keep hold of its recent gains. And really the question there is whether Merkel will be able to organise a new and actual, efficient coalition government and do that pretty quickly. That's really what the eyes of the world are looking at right now, whether Merkel will come in nice and strong, make this new coalition government what it should be. Do keep in mind that as far as Europe goes, Germany is a very big part of that decision-making process. Big part of the European Union, but more importantly the industrial and economic factors such as actual growth, production and supply. Germany are a huge part of that. Let's have a look at the quick hot picks from me today, looking at just two different assets to trade. Euro dollar, I'm going to go against my own news on this one. It has been dipping and quite static already today, Monday the 23rd. I actually really believe that there's some further strength to come from that euro. And as I also believe in the qualities of certain assets moving in correlation to each other or reverse correlation, while those euro shares and stocks start to dip, I fully expect that euro currency pair to actually gain some strength, especially off the back of the fact that I don't really think the US dollar is that strong at all right now. So euro dollar for me, I'm saying a call. In terms of expiration, that, my friends, has really got to be flexible with you today. I'm not too sure whether an end of day approach is going to do you well, so I'd suggest keep it nice and short term. For those with the G-Options trading platform on the iTunes or the Android, you can actually hit this from 30 seconds to 120 seconds expiration. That's pretty much what I'm thinking, that very short term candle movement. Looking at the Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, I've grouped them together. These are the US index prices and indices. Obviously, my true feeling there is that the price is coming down. I really actually feel end of day and hourly expiry should do you well there. For any of those that are watching these videos that took me up on the one touch over the weekend, I saw there were a few. That's where you can make up to 500% profit. You'd be very happy if yesterday on Sunday you decided that these guys were going to go down for the week. So far you'd be so good, but I think euro dollar up, Nasdaq, Dow, S&P 500 down. My name's been the General Stone. It's an absolute pleasure teaching you guys to do connect. Best of luck today.